Okay, we are at Costco this week, and this item came up on sale for $59. It's basically $89 normally at Costco, and it went on sale for $59. And it's good for another week on that price, and you can get it online as well. It's called the Gourmia FoodStation Smokeless Griddle, and Air Fryer. With integrated temperature probe, you can bake, roast, and dehydrate. One touch cooking presets, guided cooking prompts, smoke extracting technology, which actually works pretty well, extra large cooking surface, Force 360 technology, and easy cleanup. Smokeless grill, indoor grilling with virtually no smoke. Has an easy view glass lid that comes off so you can see the item as it's cooking. The digital display is incredible on this thing as far as what it can do. The griddle is precise temp and heat distribution for even cooking. Air fryer, fried favorites with up to 80% less fat. It also includes a non-stick grill grate, an air fry basket, and a non-stick griddle. Removable drip tray, integrated temperature probe, and an exclusive recipe book. You could grill, griddle, air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate. Okay, because the item is on sale for $30 less, I gotta go through this video pretty quick to post it as quick as I possibly can. I wanted to show you first that it comes with an air fryer pan, and I show it here. It also comes with a cast iron grill and a non-stick griddle. It also comes with a drip pan that you can easily remove and clean, and also a temperature sensor, which is really nice because it's a digital sensor, and you don't get that for these price points. Okay, I show you the appliance here from the front. It basically has that glass top, which is removable, which is really nice, where you could cook things and not worry about having to have the glass top on if you don't want it. And then I show here where it's preheating, and then here's a side view to show you how much space it's going to use on basically a counter. Okay, here I show us cooking 6 hamburgers in the grill, and we could set the temperature, and we could even put the thermometer on there if we want. And they came out really good. It was pretty smokeless. There was no smoke in the air. It has some kind of ability to stop that from happening. This is very convenient when you want to grill and not use like a frying pan or bake a burger or anything like that. You can actually just grill it from here. Probably uses less electricity as well. And then the next thing we did was we put some 4 pancakes in there, set the temperature, and started grilling the pancakes, and they came out really well. I'll show you that here. This is what they look like, and the nonstick pan worked really well. There was nothing sticking to the pan at the end. And then we also show at the end here when it's over how lit up this screen is. It's very nice the way it displays all the functionality right on the screen like this. It's all touch sensitive, and you can just wipe it down. There's no buttons extruded from it. They also give you a recipe book for about 19 recipes in here. I'm not sure how good the recipes are. We haven't tried them, but at least they give you something like that. And in the same book, they'll tell you how long it takes to cook certain things like bacon, and how many minutes it should take and what settings you should set. This is just a sample page here that I show right now, but it's really in handy, and they really put a lot of effort into this. So I also show here that Costco has it for $59, well $59.99 right now, with a $30 off rebate. They also sell it on Amazon for I think $80, and if I have a link, I'll put a link in the description for that. But this is really a nice unit. I think if you're looking for any of the features this thing offers, you should get this. I think it is a little larger than some items might be on a standalone, but let's say you have a glass top stove and you want to do something on an iron skillet or something. You really can't do that on a glass top stove really easy. Where this allows you to do all that stuff on a separate unit, You would have to put aside some space. When we did do hot dogs on here, there was a little smoke, but not that much. But the hamburgers had no smoke. The pancakes had no smoke. The hot dogs had a little smoke, and we're not sure why. But maybe because it was burning off some of the material on the pan. That's what I'm thinking anyway. But this is a really nice unit, and I think you should really look into getting into it. The sale goes on to December 24th, but even at $89.99, this is a really nice unit. So this has been the review of the Gourmia FoodStation Smokeless Griddle, and Air Fryer with integrated temperature probe. And I give it a thumbs up right now.